So we are going to see in this video how to edit a CV on Canvas for free. I've put the link to this website in the description of this video, or you can also find it on your search engine by just typing canvas.com, right? So once you're on this website, you will need to log in, the first thing. And after logging in, you will land on this page, right? And there you're going to find resume, what we are about to do in this video. Or you can also find it in your search bar by just typing resume. There you have it. And here you have a bunch of templates from which you can select the one that suits you, right? And for this video, I'm just going to use this template right here. So when you open the template, as you can see, each field is editable, right? So let me just zoom it out a little bit for you, right? To edit each field, like let's say I want to replace this photo, I just select the photo and hit the delete button on the keyboard, right? So I will find this on the left side, upload button. Up here I have this button from which I can press to select my own photo. But as you can see, I already have my own photo uploaded here. So all I need is just to drag it a little bit and it will be adjusted automatically. And for the name, just double click on the name and delete it. Go ahead and type your name. If you're a manager, a designer, or I don't know, anything. And for the icon also, it works in the same way. You just have to click on the icon and hit the delete button on the keyboard. In elements right here, you will find many icons here. But if you need a specific icon and you can't find it here, you still have the search bar right there. In this case, I'd like to put here a WhatsApp logo like this one. When you are done with your editing, you will need to download. Just press on download button, and here you need to select a format for your document. The suggested one is the PDF. I'm going to leave it in PDF, and right below here you have downloads free, right? So just press on the download free version, then you will get your CV ready. There you go. Now you have your CV with this professional look, right? So guys, this is how easy it is to edit your own CV on Canva. But if you want to learn how to edit a CV in MS Word, just find the video showing on the upper right corner of your screen, or you can also find the link in the description of this video. There you can learn how you can edit your own CV just like a professional. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and do let us know in the comment section, guys, how do you edit your CV, and hit the ring bell to receive notification when a new video is uploaded on this HowToDo Technology channel. Thanks once more again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.